Today is a very important and very exciting day. We've got the movers pulling up and we are moving from this house to our new house today. My parents have been here all week with Leslie and with me and cleaning up everything in the house, packing it up. I think it's gonna take these guys like 20 minutes to load it all into the truck, and then we're gonna take it to the new house and unbox it and get it in the house and actually sleep there tonight. This is exciting. This is making it very, very real. Check out the inside of the house. We have a couch, we have a TV over here, we have some stuff, and that's pretty much it. It is empty. Are you excited to move?
I'm so excited.
The movers are here.
They are?
They just pulled up.
Awesome, they're early even.
Goodbye, Claire's room. This is London's room. Totally empty. Usually it has toys in it. This was Lincoln's gaming room. We had to put a mattress in here at one point. And then you come down the hallway, and this was like a little sitting area. And then the master bedroom right here. Good job at cleaning.
Thank you.
And then down this way, this was Lincoln's little casita room. Let's get this truck packed up. This truck is looking really, really full right now. Tons of stuff in here. It's getting pretty full. I think that's almost everything. We've got this giant trailer also. And our garage is looking empty. We're almost done. It's been about, I'd say 45 minutes. These guys are fast. Pretty much empty garage and clean over here. The only thing remaining is this sledgehammer. I have broken open so many things with that. We didn't have room in the garage for this blue Roadster and I need to charge it. So as soon as we move the trucks away and then just park it inside the garage. We have like one more day where we can actually be here in the house. I'm just gonna charge my Roadster for like 4 or 5 hours. You got that?
I think I do.
Muscle strong enough for that? All right, we're driving in our rental car because our Tesla is in Las Vegas getting fixed because it's been in an accident. I don't know if I showed you that video yet, but it was in an accident. I'm making a video of the process of it. I've got my Uber driver up here.
Yes.
This is Leslie.
5-star.
I'm sitting in the back, and then we've got the Big Benz moving truck behind us. There's 6 guys. It took them less than an hour to load up the whole house. And there's just a balloon right there.
It's so beautiful.
Balloon!
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Something magical about balloons.
There's the balloons. Yeah. So here's the plan. We got Leslie. Leslie is showing everybody where to move stuff. It's gonna be fast and furious because we've got 6 guys. We've got this trailer pulled up on the driveway with the pavers. We've got this big moving truck over here. We're gonna open that up and carry stuff in. Maybe they're just gonna start with this one actually and load it all in, then move the truck up. That makes sense. Okay, moving time. And I must clarify, this video is not sponsored by Big Ben's Moving Service. They just did a great job at putting their logos on their truck, so it's like unavoidable that their number and their thing is in this video. So good job to you, Big Ben's. Got the inside of that truck, it's empty. In record time, it took like 20 minutes or so. It's great, there's things in the house, but you're not done yet. Like our entire garage is full and we need that cleared out because we're doing some really cool things in the garage. We have a lot of work to do to organize this stuff. I don't want stuff that we don't use in the house. Look who's home from school.
Hi.
We made some progress.
Oh,
We're
yeah?
here now.
Let's see. Nice. Wow. A lot of bikes and stuff done.
There's so much stuff in here. I want to park.
Where are we gonna put all of
I'm
this?
gonna park 2 Roadsters in here and a Model X and a Honda Accord. Right now, we can fit this many.
No,
We got
yeah.
a bunch of essential assortments of food storage just in case something happens.
Hi.
Hey, welcome home.
You guys working hard in here?
Yes,
You made lots of progress?
So much progress.
Hi, dog. Hi, Lincoln's home. You like the house now? I'm not sure what they did in Lincoln's room today, but let's see if it looks any different.
Boxes, TV.
And a ladder, congratulations. And then you can dust the wall.
Okay, we're all good.
Hey, good job at playing the piano. It's been a week since we moved in, and the house still feels like it's moving. It's maybe been like a week and a half since we filmed the very beginning of this video. Moving is a tricky thing, even when you have a lot of your house decorated like we have it set up for right now. But the last week has been madness. I'm sure you're aware that the entire world is shut down basically. The kids are out of school and we've been like quarantined here at our house. There's a lot that we don't know about this whole situation. Like we really don't know at this point, but I do respect and appreciate that governments and people are really being a bit overly cautious in order to like slow the curve and make things hopefully not explode to an unmanageable situation, especially here in the United States. I know there's a lot of people that are going to be affected by this and that have been affected, and I really hope that they have a speedy recovery and that they're comforted in the time whenever all this stuff goes down. For being inside of the house, I'm incredibly grateful. Like I couldn't ask for a better place to be quarantined. This house is incredible. It's like more than we ever deserve in this life. We're so grateful to be here. From the job side of it, from being a YouTuber making videos, I couldn't ask for a better place also. We have tons of room to be free here. Having my home studio being here so I don't have to actually go to an office is incredibly nice and helpful. My team is awesome that works for What's Inside, and for the last year and a half, we've all worked from home, and so it's not really much of a change for them. They're still working from home. Sorry if this video took a strange turn from we're moving into the house that's super exciting and big, and then all of a sudden a week and a half later, here we are. But guess what? Things aren't as much normal anymore as they used to be. But from my side of things and what you can expect from What's Inside and from our videos is that we're gonna be super positive and bring you something that hopefully brings you joy and that educates you and gives you a break from whatever it is you're doing, wherever you're at in the world. And then we also have tons of things that we wanna cut open and see what's inside of them. And we're going to do that on our main channel. And also, our house, like there are so many cool features with the shower and with the automation and with the speakers that I really wanna highlight. Like right over there, there's speakers inside of the wall. The pool. We do have the pool and we have swam in it 2 different times. We didn't film a video about it, but I will tell you it's amazing, and the slide is so awesome. We have the RV garage with the golf simulator. We have tons of games that we wanna show you that we have for the outside. That's kind of what we wanna do, is just put a smile on your face. Let me show you some of the progress and things that we're working on right now for the house. When you move into a new place, there's a lot of work that comes out of here that you don't ever think of. This is Claire's room and this is London's room right now. We're trying to organize. We're still trying to get through some of this stuff and decide exactly where it goes. That's just like stuff that we kind of need to go through and organize. Like, some cool things. I mean, this is a car that is super cool. It's like a lowrider. Okay, we can't play that song for copyright issues, but it's a song about a car that it's a lowrider. And they shake and the car goes up and down. We've got Forky in here and a jewelry box. This donut is so expensive. This had to have cost at least, that's all. Lincoln's room's pretty set. He's pretty organized. Actually, let me show you his closet. I don't think you guys have seen his closet since that's all happened. Lincoln. Oh wait. Closet. Dun, 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 dun. Check out Lincoln's closet. I told you he has lots of shoes, right? Jackets over here, hoodies over here, backpack. This YouTube robe thing that they gave us. Why does he have so many backpacks? I don't know. Different sports jerseys from the year. He did put like a sports almanac from Back to the Future on here and the Roadster little old school. Oh, and he got some new shoes again. So there's some new ones that he decided to put on there. And then over here, he did put a basketball signed by Kevin Durant from the video we did, and then his trophy from the Farmers Insurance Pro-Am. Oh, and he put a BYU painting up. Look at that, looks really good. It's really high, but because the ceilings are high, I think it's okay. Progress, we are making progress in here. And the garage, this is one area where I told you we're going to be doing something really cool inside of the garage. Probably have a lift for the Tesla Roadsters and maybe for the new ones when they come out someday. But for now, it really is just a mess. I mean, look at that. We've got our car in here because one night it was pouring rain and the car was outside. We had to bring it in. We've been slowly moving things from here that go inside of the studio that we're gonna cut open for videos that we've been holding on to for a while. I'm telling you, we have probably 25 things right now that we could make main channel What's Inside videos on, where we take stuff apart, and some of it is so cool. So once we feel a little bit more settled, the setup will be good and we will be publishing tons of videos on there that are really, really fun. So look forward to that. Next time you see this room, hopefully it'll be a lot cleaner. So we're in our house. That's it. Thank you guys for being part of this journey of our home throughout the whole process. It's been a blast and still more to come, and hope that you guys stay safe and stay entertained and spend some good quality time with your family. And I know that's one thing that we're really doing and looking forward to the next little bit, just spending time together. So there you go. Thanks for watching. We are moved in and you saw part of the process. See you guys. Look how stormy it is today. It is never like this here, or hardly ever like this, where we have all these clouds. And look at that, the trees have blossomed. We've got popcorn popping on the trees. That's a lot of Shopkins. This kid has a lot of shoes.